it's Kate, and we are back with another Scout Chef Kitchen. This time I'm going to walk you through cooking 4 campfire desserts for the fall. I'm from Florida, and I am already in UGG boots because the temperature has dropped below 70 degrees, so here we are. My assistant is here.
I'm MJ.
So we're going to start with this first really easy one. So this one, all you're going to need for it is, will you hold that so it doesn't fall anywhere? A piece of aluminum foil, which I've already cut. Yes.
Can I taste this?
Sure, you can taste that. Here we are. So, luckily we don't need any more of that. This is 1 Honeycrisp apple that I've sliced, and we're just gonna easily dump that in, already sliced. 1 tablespoon of butter that you're just gonna put all over there so it'll just kind of melt in there. Obviously with washed hands, y'all, because COVID and just safety in general before COVID. And okay, that's probably enough. I'm using today whole cranberry sauce. So I've got some chunks in there as well as some cranberry sauce. And we are just going to dump, this is about about 3/4 of a tablespoon of brown sugar, a quarter of a teaspoon of the cinnamon.
Can I have
No, you cannot have that. And then, and then a tablespoon of cranberries. We're gonna take all of that and wrap it on up in aluminum foil into a packet. You're gonna make an easy packet. So this is basically gonna taste like the inside of an apple pie once it is all baked together. And today we're actually using, this is gonna be cool, we're using the pop-up fire pit. So prepping everything on the GCI Outdoors Master Cook Station, which I love. It makes obviously the best table. Stay back over here. And then we're also using the pop-up fire pit. We have a grate that we've put on top of it so that we can cook this. And I'm just gonna take the aluminum foil packet, place it right on top of there, and let it get hot and cook. So you can kind of see that. We'll give it a while, probably 15 to 20 minutes, let that really cook up, maybe check it in 10 and see what happens. We'll be back to show you what's up. It's been about, I would say 25 minutes, and I think this little guy is done. So let's see. Whoop. Spilling out a bit. Remember, the cool thing about the pop-up fire pit is it is also made out of aluminum, so it cools immediately, just like aluminum foil. But because we did have a little bit of spillage, this is still kind of hot. So we are going to be a little more careful opening this, plus with all the steam that'll come out. So we're just going to carefully open the packet and see what we have got in here. Super excited. Are you excited, MJ?
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll just do it that way because we don't have to use this again. Oh my goodness, look at that, MJ girl. What do you think?
Yummy.
Oh boy. So like I said before, this is an apple pie filling kind of inside. Oh my goodness, that's perfect. All right, ready? Let's see if you like it. You ready? You like it? It's a little hot. Did I not blow it enough? Still a little hot? All right, let's see what I got. You think I'm gonna like it? A woman of few words. Oh yeah. Okay, so recap. That's good, really good. Recap what we've done. We've sliced 1 apple, taken a tablespoon of whole cranberries, like the canned kind that are really prevalent right now because Thanksgiving's coming up, a tablespoon of butter, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and about 3/4 of a tablespoon of brown sugar. Wrapped it all up in aluminum foil, threw it over a grate on top of the pop-up fire pit, which you can see. Bring this over here so they can see. So you can see what we did is originally when we first put it on, you saw the fire was kind of high. So what we did was we moved it a little bit, got the fire a little bit lower, so it was more just coals, if you will. So that way it would go a little bit slower. Cooked it for about 25-ish minutes. And yes, are you gonna have more? Okay. There, mean, big hit, big hit. So that is a great first easy campfire cooking fall dessert.